Howdy. Bought this Kobalt Mower back in April of 2022, and the 6 amp hour battery that came with it, went to use it today, and it is dead. Nothing comes on with that. You put it in the charger, nothing happens. I did my mowing with a couple of 4 amp hour batteries, but they're already spent. And you drop it in the mower, and go to power it up. I do that one-handed. And it just spins a little bit and fades right out. So I'm going to see how hard it is to return or exchange a 5-year manufacturer's warranty Kobalt battery without a receipt, because I can't keep track of stuff that long. So no, I don't have my receipt for this. So I'm off to Lowe's, and we'll see how this all works out. Alrighty, so I went down to Lowe's to see if I could exchange the battery. They advised me I need to call Kobalt at 888-356-2258. I've read the date code and the serial number off the battery, which is right down here. I have that written down here, so I'm going to give them a call, and we're going to see how this works out here. I'm going to put this on speaker, and we'll just let you all play along.
Thanks for calling the customer support line for Kobalt products sold exclusively at Lowe's. Calls may be recorded or monitored.
Thank you for calling Lowe's After Sales Customer Support. This is John. How can I help you today?
Yeah, I have a 6 amp hour Kobalt battery from a mower I bought back in 2022 that has died, and I went to the store and they told me to call y'all.
Okay, well, first of all, I'm so sorry to hear about the battery not working, sir. And yes, you got the right person in this case. We'll check the warranty of your battery to see if we can actually replace it, okay?
All right, sounds good.
Now, what I'm going to do, what I need right now, sir, is the item or model number of the lawnmower, please.
Of the lawnmower?
Yes, because since it was purchased as a combo, we're going to take care of the whole combo, okay? But
I do have the model number on the mower.
okay, what is that model number?
380-9909.
Okay, so we have a Generation 4 40 voltage push lawnmower. It was about $300, right?
Correct.
Okay, so let me explain you that you have a 5-year limited warranty on the tool, in this case the lawnmower, and as battery you have a 3 years limited warranty. So you say that you purchased the item back in 2022, right?
Yeah, April of 2022.
April, okay. And just to make sure what is actually happening to the battery, just not working or not working properly.
When you push the the display light or the display button, nothing comes on. You put it in the charger, nothing happens. And when I put it in the mower itself, it like kind of half spins up, and then it just it acts like you're trying to power it with like a 9-volt battery or something. It just like goes on like very low power.
Oh, okay, yes, so that might be an issue with the battery. So what we're going to do, sir, since you have a 3 years limited warranty, we're going to be taking care of it right now. So I'm going to have to request a return authorization number from Kobalt so you can get the whole thing exchanged at the store. Just make sure to bring your proof of purchase, like your receipt or any online email if you have it, okay?
Yeah, I don't know if I have that. I haven't checked email yet. That might be a chance that I find it in there, but yeah, I don't have the original receipt, but yeah, I'll check emails. So are you returning the battery or the entire mower?
Actually, the whole thing you're going to have to replace since it was purchased, as a combo with, lawnmower and battery. You're going to have to get the whole thing in exchange.
Okay. I guess that works.
Okay.
Don't have to sharpen the blade,
All
so that
right,
saves me a little bit of hassle.
Yeah, you get the whole thing exchange. But yeah, they're going to be actually be asking you for any proof of purchase just to validate your warranty. And yeah, well, if you want me to, request the RA number from Kobalt, you can go ahead and check for the receipt. If not, I can help you. If you purchase with a debit or credit card, we can look it up in the system.
Yes, I was able to find your account, so tell me, what can I do for you?
Okay, so the battery died on my Kobalt Mower. I did not have my receipt, so I had to get transferred over to Lowe's Credit Center so they could look up my invoice number. I think his name was John. I was speaking with him a little while ago. And he said basically they're going to have to return the entire mower. I can't just exchange the battery because it was sold as a set. And I now have the invoice number that he needed in order for him to do an RM ticket on it.
Okay. Okay, let me see here. The Kobalt Gen 440 volt 20 volt. Okay, so that means that you would like to get the R8.
Yeah, I need to return it. I thought I was just going to be swapping out the battery, but apparently I got to do the whole thing.
Okay. No worries. I'm going to work for it. So, but I need your time, Eric. So can I lay some photos for me to be able to create the case and get the authorization number just for you to go back to the store?
Yeah, fine.
Okay, I'll be right back. Okay.
Alrighty, so I just spent about an hour on the phone with Lowe's customer service and Kobalt. This was mainly because I did not have my original receipt or order number. So the folks over at Kobalt transferred me over to the Lowe's people who tracked the credit card that I used and actually found me the invoice number. So they have given me an RMA to return the entire mower. I was figuring I'd just be swapping out the battery because that was the only part that was failed. But because this was purchased as a set, I need to return the entire mower and battery. So I'll be getting a new Kobalt 40-volt mower today, which is kind of cool because if you watched any of my past videos, that blade is probably a little bit dinged up by now. So getting the full mower, hey. I did just check, make sure they are in stock at Lowe's. So now I'm going to be heading back there with the mower and hopefully coming back with a new one with a new 6 amp hour battery and a non-dinged blade. So I'm going to gather all that up, get in the truck, head on down there, and we'll see if we can actually get this done with the limited information that I have here on the purchase. So gonna go take off now and we'll see how this works out. All right, I just got back from Lowe's. This all started out with a dead battery on the Kobalt mower, and now I've got a brand new Kobalt mower with a freshly christened warranty. So drag this thing in the garage, I'll unpack it, and I might as well make this into an unboxing too, seeing how we're already gone a bit unexpected here. So see what this thing looks like, see if it's any different than the one I just had. Alrighty, I don't have my microphone on me, so I'm just going to yell a bit. Hopefully you can hear me. But let's unbox this bugger here. Well, and when I got to Lowe's, I realized I did not bring my charger for return. They didn't even look at anything. I probably could have kept all the accessories and just brought the bare mower and still gotten a new one. But I was being mostly honest. So let's see what's in the box. Alright, got our manual, which I already got one of these. Put that over yonder. Got another charger. I'm just going to leave this in the box because I got 3 mounted right over there. Not sure if they're in the frame. So extra charger. This should be our 6 amp hour battery. Yeah, toss this on the charger. And that's showing a bit more than 1 bar, which is kind of expected for shipping. We got our bagger frame. We got our bag. Cardboard. Yeah. Got our little brass chute here. Yeah, I guess this thing's ready to lift out. And we got a mower. So, it looks like it's pretty much fully assembled. With that, lift this bugger up. Yeah, make the handles bigger. Pop these, pop that. Pull her on out. That's mainly for storage. It doesn't really give you any adjustment for mowing. Make sure there's no safety type stuff under here. Well, it's all good. Nice shiny new blade. It's got the mulcher in there. Let's pop one of my 4 amp hour batteries in there. And we'll see if she just fires right up. Sounds good. Up to 2. Alrighty. Well, now I can just continue on mowing the yard like I started doing this morning before I ran into all this little bit of drama here. Basically, long story short, Kobalt 6 amp hour battery died after a little bit more than 2 years. Called Kobalt. They had to do a RM or an R return authorization on the whole mower because it was sold as a kit. So because my battery died, I now have a brand new 40 volt Kobalt mower, along with the battery and all that. Took a little bit of time because I didn't have my original receipt, but they figured all that out as well. So A+ to Kobalt customer service here. And I walked into Lowe's this morning expecting just to swap out a battery and be done and be on my way. But now I got a whole brand new mower. Don't got to sharpen my blade because I've been beating the crap out of this thing for the past 2.5 years. So now I'm going to go cut some freaking grass. Got any questions? Hit me up in the comments. Alright, just giving the new Kobalt a test drive here. Haven't done any mowing back here since the storm took that tree down. It's getting a bit shaggy. So the only tricky part of doing this video is going to be hitting that button and pushing the lever with one hand. I think I can do it though. Oop. There we go. Alright, let's take you for a mow. Widen you up a bit. There we go. It's easier mowing with 2 hands. I don't really plan on being nice to this one either. Yeah, see if I can make it back up the hill with 1 hand. And no, this isn't one of them power assisted things. Chomp, 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 chomp. That storm took down a lot of branches, which is what all that slapping around is you're hearing. Give it one more pass and we'll wrap this thing up. Oop. It'll stick. Go one more. Dragging a stick. Yeah, that's not super easy with one hand. But as you can see, or maybe you can't see, that's about what, 6, 8 inches long maybe. And it's taking it right down. Nice brand new Kobalt because I had a dead battery. Alright, now I got the rest of the shit to do. Then I got all that shit to do. Then I gotta cut up that freaking tree. So I'm signing off for real now. Y'all take care.